Tagang is the market leader in heavy-duty CNC lathes for aerospace, wind power, oil industry and roller components machining. And in this video you will see all of the key features and functions of this superb series of super rigid high-performance lathes. Test of the design and assembly quality of the product. Achieving this requires a superbly rigid base, and on this machine CNC Tagang uses an extra thick one-piece meionite cast base that is at least 20% heavier than the competitors' models to deliver the cutting performance that you need for the very largest work pieces. This lathe uses two extra wide pitch V-ways and one 45-degree slant way for the saddle, coupled with two boxways on the turret to deliver the power and rigidity needed for the heaviest cutting and precision work pieces. The high torque full power design of this spindle delivers 166:1 torque transmission from the spindle motor to the spindle, giving you incredible cutting power even at very low rotational speeds. The superb headstock structure on this machine uses Timken bearings with 3 support points to allow you to handle the heaviest and highest precision cutting with ease. Added to this, these spindles use a hardened high-grade ground gear design to deliver the highest precision control for complex thread cutting on very large work pieces. To deliver the highest precision performance that customers demand, all of the rotating parts, such as spindles, gears and pulleys, undergo individual dynamic balance testing prior to assembly. Once the machine is assembled, the parts are tested again together to ensure perfect balance and precision are maintained. After this, multi-axis laser inspection tests are carried out to guarantee the precision of each axis. To support long work pieces, you'll need a very special tailstock. On this model, CNC Tagang has incorporated a hydraulically controlled model with spindle-grade bearings to ensure smooth, powerful support of work pieces to deliver the heaviest and highest accuracy cutting and the shortest cycle times. This rotating quill has A2-6, A2-8 or A2-11 spindle nose for mounting chucks. This allows all of these machines to meet the VDI and ISO. Tagang offers the option of a high-precision European power turret with up to 12 driven tools to deliver the CF-axis machining options that you require for complex work pieces. Design of this lathe bed allows for super long machining, a bar up to 14 meters in length in a single cut, as the carriage can run the full length of the workpiece without interference from the hydraulic steady rests. CNC Tagang also offer customers the option of a grinding attachment for these heavy-duty lathes, delivering everything from initial heavy cutting right through to final special requirements of each client. CNC Tagang provides an extensive range of machine options for these heavy-duty lathes. This series of heavy-duty, high-precision lathes from CNC Tagang deliver market-leading performance for customers. With their wealth of high-performance single setup features, coupled with the range of milling and grinding options, This machine series is guaranteed to deliver outstanding performance and cutting efficiency to your heavy cutting operations.